Hello everyone, welcome back to Think of Mind. In today's video, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on your Windows PC in just 2 minutes. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this step-by-step guide is simple, fast, and perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have WhatsApp Desktop installed and ready to use. Now let's get started.
Press the Windows key on your keyboard and open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp and click the official app when it appears. Now just go ahead and click the install button. It will quickly download to your computer. Once it finishes, click open and you will see a login screen with a QR code. Grab your phone and open WhatsApp. Tap the 3 dots on the upper right side, then select Linked Devices. Tap the green Link a Device button and easily scan the code on your screen. Instantly, your messages will load. For quick access later, right-click the Open WhatsApp icon on your bottom taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. That is it. Very easy and simple. If this tutorial helped you today, please subscribe to PC Error Detective.